really want to get to is the screener. So material gets onto that screener over there. Once it gets onto the screener, it separates it into three different. Today we are going to be running a sample of aluminum and copper. Every time that the guys would run the Airtable, at the end of the shift, they would vacuum out what's on the Airtable. So you end up with copper that goes up the front and plastic that goes off the back. And then anything that's heavy or somewhat heavy stays in the middle. So what ends up happening is at the end of the shift, the guys end up dumping the table. But what ends up happening is they'll just turn the airway down, they'll tilt this forward, and then everything that's on the Airtable, all the aluminum that's kind of hanging back there, all the copper, that'll go forward. And so what we are doing is we're taking all that fraction and we're just gonna run it through. What we really wanna get to is the screener. So material gets onto that screener over there. Once it gets onto the screener, it separates it into three different fractions. And then we take those fractions, put them in this hopper. From there, putting it onto here. And then we're gonna get clean copper coming out of the front and clean aluminum coming off the back. And then if there's any steel that came out as part of it, there really shouldn't be, but it's gonna come down and go to the bottom here. So